Yeah, so hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to RP Vlogs. So after many days I'm creating this particular long video in my channel because recent days I was trying to just create small short reels in my Instagram and also in my YouTube profile. So yes, if you wish to go and visit in my Instagram profile, you can go ahead and check my Instagram ID will be down there in the description box, or I will mention it in the video aside, so that you guys can go ahead and visit my Instagram channel. I have been trying to create content for many months, not months actually. In Instagram I have been creating content for many months, but the YouTube shorts has been creating since 1 month ago, and I have been getting good enough of response from you guys, and I'm really grateful for such views and also the likes which I get on the YouTube shorts. It is actually motivating me to create more such reels and YouTube shorts for my channel. So yes, I just wanted to mention this thing particularly in this but long video. And yes, by the title you have already know that what I am trying to show in this video. So yeah, it's my wedding makeup kit. This actually is gifted from my father's side during wedding. So actually I haven't opened, frankly speaking, I haven't opened any of my product, maybe 2 or 3 max. I haven't opened any other product since a year. It's gonna be 1 year where I'll be celebrating my first year marriage anniversary, but I haven't opened it. So I thought, why not to show you guys what I have purchased 1 year ago. Not actually 1 year, maybe I have shopped in the year of 2020, maybe, yeah. So it's more than 2 years wherein I have not opened this box yet. And I thought, why not, I will open the box. I have decided my mind that I will open the box today and I'll show it to you guys what I have, because it is a wedding season right now, but due to some circumstances, Omicron, it is getting a bit disturbed. But however, just wanted to give you guys an info, all the girls out there who are about to get married, or any girls out there who are interested in makeup junks and all that, they can have an idea what is yeah. And also, most importantly, I have all the affordable range products which can be purchased by any other woman, and it's not like you need to purchase high brand product itself. You get a good amount of satisfaction and quality even from a medium range brand itself. And also you can easily get these brands at a affordable discounts prices from any website, Nika, Purple Kelu, Amazon Kelu. You will get it anywhere, but I purchased it from offline, due to which I did not get that enough discount. But yeah, however, I got this makeup box as a complimentary gift, you can say. Yeah. So yes, let's not make the video so long and let's start. Yeah, so the first product which I'll definitely start would be, I will not be saying according to the what regime wise, primer, then cream, moisturizer, no, whatever comes in my hand, I'll definitely show you in that manner. Okay, the first product which I have purchased in my wedding, it is this makeup MAC Fix Plus, Max Fix Plus primer. This I've been using it since many months. Like recently, I've started opening and I have used it, and I really love the smell of this particular product. And yes, I'm in love with this Mac Fix Plus. I'll just give a very 2, 3, 5 seconds of description because there are a lot of products inside. Okay, next I am using this. Next I purchased this Maybelline Master strobing cream. Okay, I'll just show you all the gist. Okay, like I'll just show you how it is. So yeah, it's very soothing, and also it primes your face. It actually prepares your face before if you apply any kind of cosmetics. And next is this Master strobing cream right here, and I'll just open the packaging, guys. This is the first time I'm opening the packaging in front of you guys. And yeah, I'll just show you this little amount. So yes, this is the amount of product which I've used. Yeah, This not only highlights your face, but also it all gives you a hint of shine and also glow to your face. And the next product is this nail paint, Lotus Ka normal no, yeah, nail enamel, yeah, normal. And next I have purchased this one, this Maybelline Car Lipstick. Okay, I'll just open it right away, just a moment. I didn't want this video to go long, so yeah, I could have actually opened this product before itself and just showed, but I just wanted to give you an honest review that yes, I like did not open. So yeah, this is this Maybelline lipstick, and the shade is, what is the shade? Hmm. Shade name मिल रहा है. Okay, anyway, which this is the shade, guys. This little shade, it's really lovely, and this is the shade. Okay. Oh, it does not turns. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the option. Okay. Careful inside, and nice pink shade it is. Okay. And next I have is this MAC Kajal. Uh, yeah. Actually, I could have purchased Lacmi and all, but I already had Lacmi colors and I've already tried those. So I thought I want to purchase something little different. So this is the one, MAC, which I purchased. And next I have this Sugar Ka lipstick. This also I haven't opened, guys. I'm opening it right now. So this is the shade. Okay. And this is the sugar. And next I have this red nail lipstick from Maybelline. Every wedding, every woman who are about to get married will definitely have a red lipstick in her vanity. So yes, this is the one. I have not opened this yet also, but see, you can see how clear it is. So just wanted to show it to you guys. So yeah, this is the shade. मुझे ये सब यूज़ करना पड़ेगा वरना ये सूख जाएगी, ठीक है. And this is one face mask. This we got it as a complimentary. So yeah, and yeah, this is the small mini sample which we got if we purchase a MAC product. So yeah, this is the one, MAC Prep and Prime. And okay, this is the Maybelline V Face Dior stick. So it has contour. Yeah, this is contour. Yeah, this is contour side. This is the contour side. Okay. And oh, it's destroyed. ये देखो destroy हो गया. कोई बात नहीं. This is the highlighter side. Okay. Okay, and next I have this Lacmi Primer. It's give a good pink tint to your face, and I highly recommend this because I have been using this in the small product earlier when I was using it for the first time. But when I really love this product, I continued using this and I bought a big. Yeah. So the next product which I have is this nail paint. Okay, I'll just show you all the nail paints which I have. So I have purchased this Chambord nail paint. This is the pink one. This is Revlon, the shiny one, and this is the Chambord, the red one. Okay. And this is the MAC foundation which I have purchased, and also I have this Maybelline foundation. The foundation shade is 310 Sun Beige. I haven't opened this, guys. You can just see I haven't opened. The seal is already on. I haven't opened this. So this is the Maybelline product which I foundation which I purchased, and this is the MAC which I purchased, and I have been using this continuously from now. And this is the alta. We Bengali women have alta in our vanity, no matter what. If it's any occasion or anything, every married woman will have a alta in her vanity. So I got this also for my marriage. And these are two concealers shades. These are two concealers from Maybelline, and the shade is One is butterscotch and one is caramel. These two are the shades. I haven't used them at all yet because I have some more concealers in my vanity, which is this Swiss Beauty and the Maybelline, the previous model I had that. And these are 3 combs which I have, just having 3 combs. And there are a few more. Okay, yeah, there is one Maybelline liquid eyeliner. I haven't used it. Maybe I have used it, not sure. Yeah, थोड़ा सा use किया है मैंने. So yes, this I have. And yeah, one blush, Maybelline Fit Me blush. I haven't used it. Okay, and this is the Maybelline tattoo pencil. This also, yeah, this is the nib. I haven't used it, but I'll just show you. Nice. Okay, this is the sanitizer. At that moment, everyone has to carry sanitizer in their bag, so I also kept it in my vanity bag and purse. And next which I have is yeah, this is I got it in free sample, this MAC makeup remover, this thing, makeup remover oil. And these are some little clutch and hairbands. The Kajal ke liye the brush. Okay, and we have few bindis. Okay, and safety pins. And yes, another sugar kajal which I got from groom side. So this is the one kajal which I got. And okay, the foundation also, this one I got from my groom side itself, from my hubby. Thank you so much. And all the MAC products which I got is from my hubby's side itself, so I'm very happy. Okay, the next 2 lipsticks are from MAC. One is All Fired Up. This is the shade. Okay, and this is Relentlessly Red. You have been seeing in my videos, so this is the shade. I love this shade. I'm wearing it right now. This is a brow pencil from Maybelline. Never used it. And this is a sorry. Okay, so this is the sugar lipstick which I got it from that sugar car lipstick itself, free sample. So this is one. I'll just show you the shade itself. If you can see, yeah, this is the shade. And lip liner from Shampoo, red lip liner. Okay, and okay, I have 2 more things. One is compact. It's compact cum foundation in the same shade Sun Beige. I haven't used it yet. I need to use it because यार एक बंदा कितना ही यूज़ करे. So I started my YouTube channel, creating some kind of makeup videos, finishing my makeup products. Yeah, and the last thing which I have is this Maybelline. Yeah, sorry. So the last thing which I have it right now is this Maybelline eyeshadow palette, which is the shade Blush Nude. Yeah, Blush Nude. So I have this. I haven't opened this. You can check. I haven't opened this. So yeah, I guess I am done with my done with my vanity. And yes, that's all, guys. Just wanted to share this particular video, this products with you. And if you guys did like anything out of it, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. And I'll be creating more such videos for you, and hope you guys are keeping great. Bye. Now literally I'm just again putting all the products back to the vanity box, because of course I need to use it one day. And yeah, that's all, guys. Bye. Yeah, so I forgot to share the last but not the least, this Makeup Revolution eye palette. This one. This was also gifted by my husband's side. So these are so many shades, these many shades which can be used in everyday purpose. So yeah, thank you for watching.